Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the top cover on the Samsung dryer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The reason you may need to replace the top cover is if it gets scratched or dented and you want to improve the appearance of it. To remove the top cover, first thing we need to do is get access to the back of the dryer to remove 2 Phillips screws. Next, place your foot at the bottom of the dryer, place your hands on the top and pull towards you until the top cover releases. This may require some force. If you have a bad top cover and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the top cover, make sure the rear of it, which is noted by the gray pieces, is facing the rear of the dryer. Align the top cover guides to the opening in the top cover. Continue to push forward until it locks back in place. Next, reinstall the 2 screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.